Hi everyone, happy weekend if you're watching this in real time. Welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up 24 Ink T-shirt of the month club. And per usual, it was shipped in such a cute bag. Like, seriously, they have the cutest bags. I know we just rip them open and whatever, but they're always so cute and it's fun to see in the mailbox. So like the name implies, this is a t-shirt subscription. You can subscribe either monthly or quarterly and it is customized. So when you subscribe, you let them know a little survey all about you, and they have kid sizes, they have plus sizes, there are sizes for everyone, men and women. I will link them down below. It is $17.99 a month, and they're also very kind to put together like a shop so you can see all of the past shirts I have received. I do have a few favorites, but I love them. Like, I don't know if you guys have been with me over the years, I've definitely transitioned into a more casual style versus like dresses and more formal. I wear that moon shirt, the V-neck I got all the time, the V-neck that's black with like a little garden pocket, and there's a few other ones I wear, but those two are my top two. I love them. And there's always a little extra goodie that comes in here, and there's always facts. So there's a theme each month, and we get a shirt based on that and our profile. And there's facts about the theme, and I just love learning and trivia. I'm a nerd. What can I say? Give me all the information. So I think this is a great subscription. Highly recommend. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. Before we get jumping into it, which by the way, I will try it on. You can probably tell because I'm just like in my little free people bralette that I live in, but I want to say welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I really hope you consider subscribing and sticking around. And if you're into spirituality and tarot and all of that, I have another channel, Kitty Outside the Box. I always link in the description if you want to check it out. And of course, 24 Ink will be down below. Now let's get this cute lemon bag open. How are you guys, by the way? Are you up to anything fun this weekend? Right after this, I'm meeting with my tarot group. I actually have a third YouTube channel with two tarot friends we just started. But we're getting together and practicing and filming right after this. I'm excited. This is what it looks like when I pull it out. Vegetables is a theme. Cool. Our theme this month is vegetables. Potatoes were the first vegetable to be grown in space. Interesting. I get these like space newsletters because again, nerd alert. There's something like found like some like high protein plant they're gonna grow in space because astronauts lose bone density when they're up there for a long time, which that's really cool. See, I know a lot of random facts. The part of broccoli that you eat is actually flower, which haven't opened yet. And tomatoes are a fruit. I did know that, but that's really cool. And then I didn't mention this. They do also have like a shop. You don't have to subscribe. You can just get customized stuff there. Oh my God, there's even customized sweatpants and stuff. Look at that moon one there. Oh God. Okay, pause the video. I got gel manicure and I bought the special stuff to remove it, and I used acetone, and my nails are like dead now and it won't come out. So can someone please give me tips, please? Thank you. And don't judge me. I've been trying. But they have even sweatpants you can customize. I'm wearing these sweatpants now that I got in Stitch Fix. I didn't film it. I should have. They're like the comfiest things. And all right, see, casual style. So, oh, and it comes with a tank top, perfect for this time of year, and seeds. Oh my God. I'm so excited, you guys. I just look this way because I have plants all around me. You can see one. This is Sonia. So we've corn seeds. Oh my gosh. That would be so freaking cool if I had like corn stalks out here. I went out for Mexican the other night and my friend was saying like they go there to the place we went to with their friend and they always eat like Mexican style corn. I'm like, what is that? But I do like corn, and this really excites me. I'll have to keep you updated. It's a little tricky in Florida with getting really hot in the summertime, but like most things will grow here. Sometimes in the summer it's too much. Is there gonna be vegetables on my tank top? Oh, it's blue. sneak peek. Oh my god, this looks so comfy. Kick some asparagus ass. Asparagus. I love asparagus grilled. Oh my gosh. I think this is so cute and so comfy. Okay, let's try it on. And if you guys are wondering, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. And like I said, I've gotten this for a while now and all the shirts are fine. You know, sometimes when you wash shirts, like the label or whatever like is written on it, sometimes like gets weird. That hasn't happened. And I'm like a lazy machine washer. I don't really follow the rules, it says. So just FYI. Oh my gosh, this is like perfect for me. You see my like favorite sweatpants ever, but the fit is really good. I like where it falls. Yes, this fits perfectly, and I think I get a medium. I should have looked at that just for a reference, so it fits true to size. Because I know a lot of t-shirt companies, sometimes I get a large because it fits better. Yeah, unless it's different, I'll leave it on the screen, but I get a medium just in case that's helpful for any of you guys. But I love this subscription. It's so practical. It's a great gift idea too, like getting a new shirt that lasts like, and it's a theme, and you get little fun things too. Like I'm gonna grow some freaking corn. I'm super excited. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I will link 24 Ink down below. And thank you, 24 Ink Club, for sending me this. I'm so happy to work with you and get your shirts. I love them and I live in them. You should make more moon ones. No, I'm just kidding, but I do love that moon one so much. And I love you guys. So again, if you guys haven't subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you tomorrow. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for you. Bye. Have a great weekend.